EPLAN Electric P8 Siemens TIA Portal Interface AutomationML Objectives. AutomationML is a XML-based data format. AutomationML is an international standard and available free of charge, IEC 62714. AutomationML allows consistent data exchange between different ECAD and PLC manufacturers. EPLAN Electric P8 Siemens TIA Portal Interface, ECAD tool, documentation of hardware, terminals, motors, pumps, lamps, switches. How can I assemble repair the machine? PLC tool, program the brain of the machine, software, signals, logical sequence, human-machine interface. What does the machine do? Solution, AutomationML is a common language. With EPLAN Electric P8 from version 2.7 onwards, the possibility exists for data exchange from AutomationML to Siemens TIA Portal and back again. Time to market, avoiding mistakes, integrated workflow, we unlocking manufacturing's full potential for performance and innovation. Now we can provide our customers a simple and stable solution to reach these goals. Benefit, save time and money based on this AutomationML standard concept. The recommended, and most of the customers' desired, workflow is 1. Export PLC data from the Siemens TIA selection tool. 2. Import PLC data into EPLAN Electric P8. 3. Export extended PLC data from EPLAN Electric P8 to Siemens TIA Portal. 4. Import PLC data from EPLAN Electric P8 into the Siemens TIA Portal. The following videos show the workflow step by step. Users can select, configure, and order devices with the TIA selection tool. The TIA selection tool is provided free of charge by Siemens. The TIA selection tool provides wizards for selecting individual devices and entire plants. It helps the user select modules and accessories, checks slot rules, and prevents errors during selection. The TIA selection tool generates a complete order list directly from the product selected or configured by the user. This list can be directly exported into the industry mall shopping cart or can be exported in a common standard format. Data exchange of PLC configuration files. The configuration data of the PLC controllers of bus systems can be exchanged with different PLC configuration programs. The PLC configuration data exchange is based on an exchange file that one editing program writes and another editing program reads. This file can be exchanged simply between the EPLAN designer and the PLC programmer. In principle, the following configuration data are exchanged. Hardware data of the used devices. Symbol table contains the assignment of the symbolic address to a hardware address. Network structures, logical view, meaning that only the relationship of the devices is described. Benefit, the multiple entry of data is avoided through the PLC data exchange. This means, for example, that long lists of order numbers and function texts can be transferred automatically. This reduces the workload across departments and avoids typing errors. The configuration is accelerated overall and the planning quality is improved. Each object is identified in AutomationML by a GUID, globally unique identifier, that is unique worldwide. This GUID is assigned automatically during the export. The names of the modules within a rack have to be unique for the export in AutomationML format. In this case, the object description is not exported as the name, but rather the module name property. If the module name is empty, the object description is exported and, to make it unique, a consecutive position is attached, description 1, description 2, etc. The Totally Integrated Automation Portal. TIA Portal provides you with unrestricted access to our complete range of digitalized automation services. From digital planning and integrated engineering to transparent operation. The new options benefit system integrators and machine builders as well as plant operators. In principle, the following configuration data are exchanged. Hardware data of the used devices. Symbol table contains the assignment of the symbolic address to a hardware address. Network structures. Logical view, meaning that only the relationship of the devices is described. With EPLAN Electric P8 from version 2.7 onwards, it is possible to exchange data via AutomationML to Siemens TIA portal and back again. Benefit: the multiple entry of data is avoided through the PLC data exchange. This means, for example, that long lists of order numbers and function texts can be transferred automatically. This reduces the workload across departments and avoids typing errors. The configuration is accelerated overall and the planning quality is improved.